Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see dimensions here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Seeing dimensions in Canva is a simple process that is important when creating designs for different platforms, or for example, if you wanted to send the information to your client, to the collaborator that you're working with. Now, once you are logged into your account, just open the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, you can simply click the templates so you can start building your own design. You can choose from business template, social media, education, or video. For example, we're going to be choosing video, and we were looking something like maybe this, they're launching soon right now. And then choose this template right here. Okay, it would be forwarded to this template, and of course you're working with the design. Okay, and you have eliminated some of the elements here because you felt like you don't need any of them. For example, you're going to be start with this kind of design. All right, now for you to be able to see the dimensions and you want to send the information to your collaborator or to your client, just click on the file on the upper right left corner. There should be an option that says 1080 by 1080 pixels. All right, and of course from there you would share this information to this option. You can go to the copy this link anyone with that, so the team members, collaborators would notice the dimensions that you're working with. Okay, now checking dimensions ensure your design is created at the appropriate resolution for the intended medium, such as for print or digital output. For example, if you click on download and you choose the PDF print, these are good for documents, and the PDF print is best for printing. So you might want to see and know the dimensions, because smaller dimensions for large prints can result in pixelation. So verifying dimensions ensures clarity. All right, now of course it's very easy to check again the dimensions in Canva to ensure your designs meet the intended requirements for quality and consistency. It doesn't matter if you're using the Canva Pro or the Canva free trial. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.